Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm pushing them out, aren't I? These videos. Okay, I'm only on my third one, but hopefully I'm able to do more than one video every 5 months. But today we're talking about restoration hardware, which you guys know I absolutely love. I love restoration hardware. Yeah. So we decided to get their cloud bed. And we had the cloud sofa, and now we have the cloud bed, and we just ordered a different sofa. We wanted the cloud bed in black or a darker color because we have a 3-year-old, but that would have taken 10 weeks. And we kind of needed a bed. So we got the one in stock that came within 2 weeks. And of course, that's in white, which we've had this bed for 2 months or so. Yeah, 2 months or so. And it's holding up incredibly well. So it's great. Let's talk about the cloud slip covered platform bed. It retails for, if you're a member, $3,056. It's a nod to the relaxed modernism of mid-20th century American design. Our cloud platform bed features a low, footless frame with a plushly slip-covered headboard, 100% goose featherback cushions, and all-around wide rail. It's also available in leather, and it's kiln-dried hardwood construction. It's amply padded throughout. You can detach the back cushions as well. Let's see, anything else that I think is beneficial. You can do replacement slip covers, of course, so I can change the color if I want to. And it recommends professional upholstery cleaning recommended. Vacuum with an upholstery attachment to remove dust and to minimize fading. Avoid placing in direct sunlight. All right, so we got it in the one that was in stock, which was the washed Belgian Flax linen, and we got it in king and white. And I'm going to show video, some pictures, insert so that you guys can see what it looked like when it arrived. Which this wood at the bottom, and then you put your mattress on top. So it's actually quite a bit higher than our last platform bed we got from Restoration Hardware, which was from the Herringbone collection. And I'm going to be honest, guys. I love this bed. I love this bed mainly because I've already run into it a few times, which I used to do with our other wood beds. And I would just get bruises and scraped. And so I would like to say that we purchased the bed for our 3-year-old so that, because she comes running head first into our room and she just, is accident prone. But the truth is that I'm pretty accident prone myself. And so we kind of got the bed for my 3-year-old and me. I've already slammed my foot into it, which... oh my gosh, I'm so happy the padding is there. I'm so happy. But there has been a stain on it, like a strawberry stain. My little girl came with her hands, just strawberries. And I was able to get it out with the, what's it called? It's this product I use. I'll put it at the bottom because I can't think of it right now. It's kind of late. But yeah, so... and I do a lint brush over it, kind of like what I showed you guys. Not kind of, exactly how I showed you what I did with our last cloud couch. Or cloud sofa. Some people feel weird about couch, but couch and sofa to me are the same, except sofa sounds a little bit more, luxurious. But it's a couch, it's a sofa, and I'm sure someone in the comments is going to tell me the specific difference, which I appreciate still. Just so you know. But yeah, no, it's great. The backrests, the pillows are great. It felt like when they gave it to us though, that they gave us kind of older back pillows. So I called And they were like, oh yeah, we'll just send you new ones. And the cushions were fine. And they sent us, instead of 2 replacement, they sent us like 6. So I was like, you sent us too many. Okay, hold on to them, you know. So we just have 6 or 8, which is kind of good when you have a child. And watching them put the bed together and them just putting on the fabric and the attaching it was super cool. And also them steaming it. The steam iron that they used. I want to do a video on it, you guys, but this right here, oh my gosh. Yeah, I said, what is that you're using to get out all of the wrinkles from the bed? They're like, oh, this is great. I said, okay, if Restoration Hardware uses this, then now go ahead and get this. So I'll put a link at the bottom. But I do plan on doing a video on the steam iron. I love the bed. The bed is great. And does it get dirty easily? No, it does lint easily, just like the, any other fabric bed, because it's fabric. And so, so I do the lint roller over it. I haven't used the Dyson on it to vacuum it or anything, but I'll end up trying that. But I do just like going over it with a lint brush, and I do that every couple of days. But yeah, it's still white. It still looks great. It's not indented. So my daughter likes stepping on it and like sitting on the edges, which is kind of nice. And no, it hasn't caved in or anything of that nature. But of course, we've only had it for 2 months. However, with a 3-year-old, you can probably add 2 months to that because of the wear and tear that a 3-year-old will just stomping on it and want to jump on things. And yeah, but no, I love the bed. I'm glad we got it. I'm glad it's lower and she can get up onto it. So it's a platform bed. It does not feel uncomfortable. And no, it's not a squeaking noise or nothing of that nature. So you don't need a box spring with it. You just put your mattress on top of the wood. And yeah, so yeah, it's really great. And it's a lot more low maintenance than, some might think it would be. Even myself, with it being white and that we're sleeping on it every day, and we use the back cushions to lay back on every single night. So I don't put those, on the floor or set them aside when we get in the bed. No, those are great to lean back on with your other pillows. So every morning I just refluff them up and they're just fine. Have I tried putting them in the washing machine? Because some people say you can wash them. You know what? Because I have so many extras, I may try and wash it. But no, I have not tried that as yet. So yeah, I hope that helps you guys. If any of you guys were looking at the cloud bed, and to kind of know if it's difficult to maintain with the white, because with my cloud sofa, we didn't sit on it a lot. And so people assume that, oh, well, if you can't sit on it, then that was a lot of comments. You don't even sit on it. Well, we sat on it the way we wanted to sit on it, and that's okay. But of course, with the bed, we lay in it every single night, get on it every single day. And, our daughter loves to read books in our bed and stuff like that. So, we're using it all the time, and it's still white. It's still great. It's not as hard as I thought it was going to be to keep stains off of it. Now, just to be clear, no, we are not drinking juice in the bed with our daughter. Yes, I have my pop in the bed and stuff like that. But no, I haven't spilled all type of stuff on it, because that's not what we're using our bed for per se. But, if you do spill stuff on it, I'll put in the bottom what I use to get stains and spots off and come off quite easily. But yeah, it's been great. So I'm blabbing now. I will see you guys next time, and thank you so much for watching. Bye. Yeah, I love the bed and it's great, and I'm glad we got it. And especially when our daughter goes head first into the bed and we're just like, my gosh. But it's okay because there's so much padding, and she just, you know, bounces up and gets back up and keeps going, you know. Same thing with me when I go foot first, or not head first into the bed, but yeah, I'm always hitting it because I'm accident prone sometimes. But yeah, so I like it, and I'm glad we got it, and the white isn't difficult at all because I thought it was going to be. So yeah.